pad polisher. You can see all that stuff in there. That's from our pad polisher. That's how good it really works. So when we do it, we take it, we clean it all up, get it nice and clean. This is the dirty water reservoir. So this is where all the dirty water goes to. But we still like to have it clean before we put it in, especially the outside, because this touches the clean water. So we want that clean too. That O-ring is what separates everything. Now that we got that clean, I like to clean this. Turn it upside down. See all the dirt, all the pad, all the polish and everything on here. Well, this does come off. Careful you don't lose any of the balls in there. That's the plunger. So there's a spring in here. You can clean that out if you want. These are important to make sure that that stays in there. Put this back together. Clean this out good. I like to make sure our bucket that gets the clean water is clean also. Do that twice. Pull that up. Now we'll grab a packet. We use the Snappy Clean Boost pad cleaning powder. We use one for the bucket. We've tried other things. We mix it up with our hand. Not that bad. A little gritty, so you want to mix it up. Try to dissolve all that. It will, like I said, it does foam like that, but the foam goes away because I'm mixing it up. We tried rinseless. We tried regular water. Seems that the Snappy Boost, these Snappy pads seem to work the best. So what I do is I take this, where that hole is, put this in, see how much water comes out, and I'll dump that out. I don't want it to come back through. Do it a few times, because you don't, when you do it, you don't put, there's no measuring in it, so you don't know how far to go. So it's hard to figure that out other than doing like this. That should be good. What we'll do is we'll put this back together. This goes in there, screws in like this. Now I like to put this together first. Goes right through there. These little notches line up right there. They snap on. You want to make sure this seals good. We'll do it right here. Like that. You want to make sure it seals down on that piece right there. That'll keep the clean water and dirty water from mixing. You put this in, push all the way down, take it back over here, and we'll clean this pad. We're going to have to prime this a little bit, just because it's fresh. We only need about 1 or 2 spots. Nice fresh clean pad now.